Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted tasks in Asana. Whether you accidentally deleted something important or need to recover a task for reference, Asana makes it surprisingly easy to locate and restore deleted items. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, head over to the Asana web app and direct your attention to the search bar at the top of your screen. This search bar is your gateway to finding virtually anything in your workspace, including those tasks that have been removed. Click on it to activate the search functionality. Once you've clicked the search bar, you'll notice a drop-down menu appears. Look for the funnel-like icon labeled Advanced Search and click on it. This feature is essential because it gives you access to filtering options that go far beyond basic keyword searches, allowing you to pinpoint exactly what you're looking for. In the advanced search window that opens, you'll need to configure a few settings. Start by setting the type field to task. This narrows down your search to focus specifically on tasks rather than projects, conversations, or other elements in your workspace. Next, locate the status field, which is key to finding deleted items. Click on the status drop-down menu, and from the options presented, select deleted. This is the crucial step that tells Asana you want to see tasks that have been removed from your workspace. Without selecting this status, deleted tasks won't appear in your search results at all. Now click the blue search button located at the bottom right of the advanced search window. This executes your filtered search and pulls up all the deleted tasks that match your criteria. You'll see a comprehensive list of everything that's been removed, complete with task names and details. As you review the list of deleted tasks, you might spot items you need to recover. To restore any task, simply click the undelete button that appears on the left side of the task name. This instantly brings the task back into your active workspace exactly as it was before deletion. And that's it. You've successfully located your deleted tasks in Asana and restored any you needed back. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.